Hi, I'm Yi Ying. I am from NITEC in Electronics, specialized in mobile device. I'm going to introduce you the tools and equipments for soldering a SMT surface mount technology. This is a desoldering station. It is used to desolder the component in a printed circuit board. This is the lead-free soldering wire with 0.8 mm of diameter. This is a flux liquid used to remove the excessive solder. This is an ESD brush and this is the alcohol. It is used to remove the dirts on the PCB board. This is a tweezer. It is used to pick up the small components for soldering. And this is the soldering station. Set the temperature of soldering iron to 370 degrees Celsius. Clean the tip of soldering iron by thinning. Soldering the small outline package integrated circuit. Place a small amount of solder on one of the corner pads. Then apply to the rest of the corner pads. Solder all the remaining pins one at a time or together. Apply the flux liquid to remove excessive solder.